everybody, how are you today? It's Friday and I'm just doing another quick vlog. I know I've been doing very quick vlogs lately, but sorry I'm also talking very weird. But I know I've been doing quick vlogs lately, but I don't know. I haven't really, I just don't know why. So, yeah. Let's go let Roxy out and visit Belle. Hey, Belly! Hi there, cutie. Say hi. Say hi, friends. Oh, you're itching. And it's like a huge sweater I'm wearing. Like, wide. Ah, I'm very dark. Hi, baby! It's nice and cold. Go! Yes, I know it's raining. Roxy, look! Hi. Hi, baby. So yeah, quick vlog, and you got to see the doggies. And who doesn't love dogs? I would show my cat, but they're both sleeping and I don't want to disturb them. That's just cool. And one is dying, so she's very old, but yeah. She's also evil, but she's cute. I think it's pouring now on Roxy. Rex! Roxy! Hi there. Doggy in the rain. You're a doggy in the rain! Doggy in the rain! Hi, pretty girl. And that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I think I saw lightning. I don't know. Please leave video responses so I can see your beautiful, handsome, cute, adorable faces. Let's go outside. Freezing! I'm barefoot. But it's not so cold out. Please leave video responses. Did I already say that? Also, leave comments in the comments below, and so we can be friends. We're already friends, but we need conversations. My tooth. I just ate. And leave beauty video requests, because I'm going to do a beauty channel soon. And also leave random video questions and requests in the comments also. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Let's leave you with Roxy. Hi there, baby. You want to go in? Alright, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love you.